everybody, today we got some photo shoots, so we're gonna go meet up at Jason's crib right now. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe. So let's go see what the fuck. What up, cuz? Early as fuck. Early.
Yeah, Jose has bourbon.
You guys agree on the color backdrop already yet?
On the what?
Color backdrop.
Yeah. On white.
White? Yeah. Alright, no problem. Let's go, man. Appreciate y'all coming in.
I hope this feeling lasts forever. Cause these are days we will remember.
Ready to take some photos, bro?
Yeah.
Hey, there's something. You ready to take some photos, just? Ready.
Yes, sir. Wait.
Okay.
Look.
Es que Danny just woke up.
Yeah, I just woke up. You got la pelusa from fucking la cama, güey.
Nah, I think it's where you're at.
I gotta take that shit off, bro.
With glasses?
I don't know.
Nah, take them. Take the glasses off.
Don't forget them.
Like, you know, different poses. Honestly, I might just change my shirt, bro.
Como quiero, uno Valenciaga y un porrito bueno para empezar la fiesta. Que nos amanezca. Gracias soles de grita, no me quiere nada, no me quiere nada, y no me perfecta, ya bailas en la nariz, no me pide nada, no me pide ni sola pendeja. Dale un buen divertida con la gatita, la gatita chula la morena. Dale un buena.
You over here.
Look at him. And look at me, just got that same look just like that. Like that? Yeah, like that. I'm not so loud by that, serious by that.
Hey, bro.
Hold on. I got it.
Like it. Come on, man, like it.
The dog just died.
Yeah, like a dog side.
The dog just died.
He got mad at me.
Closer.
Yeah, like his bodyguard's tied.
Dale un beso.
VIP, like y'all gotta walk into the red carpet type. Walk in like friends right here. There you go.
Your dog died.
Your dog died.
Ando como quiero con un Valenciaga y un polvito bueno para empezar la fiesta, que nos amanezca. Bailas en la distinta cara, no me comprometa todo lo que quieras. Madre buena, piratita por un lado, la plebita, la madre cortita, chula la morena. Madre buena. Huh? Who? Dot and Dot. Hey. Your turn. Shots by Andrew. For real, bro.
Dave's hot chicken.
Dave's hot chicken. Shit is good. Big blends.
You don't go here?
Yeah, that he does, but then something happened to him. Like he like got depressed or something. Or I think he got diagnosed bipolar, bro.
Gracias. Success. No, shit. We out.
Mira. You see that shit? I think that happened at the tocada.
Ow.
Cause I kept going like this. Yeah.
Desgraciadamente tenemos que informar. I think you talk about how they removed the Jesus.
Oh yeah.
Poop Nation.
Yeah, y'all be safe, man. Appreciate y'all coming in for real, man. Y'all doing great, alright? If y'all ever need anything from the studio, don't hesitate to hit us, alright?
Yeah, bro, hell yeah.
Y'all be safe, man.
Yeah, you too, bro.
Going to motherfucking Dave's Hot Chicken. What they sell at Dave's Hot Chicken?
Turn left.
Hot chicken.
Oh, let's go see how hot.
Hot chicken by day.
Let's go see. Man, the motherfucking Dave's Chicken and that shit. This, according to Jason, is not packed because it wraps around the corner. A ver, vamos a ver qué pedís con el Dave's Hot Chicken. Jason. Mira. Got me a sandwich. I don't know what the fuck. I mean, we look good. Let's see what the fuck in the big end. Switching to the phone cam, we just landed at the motherfucking mall. Georgia, fuck it. I need to go see about my pendant because I broke it. And I'm gonna go buy another one. So, vamos a ver.